See here. Okay, right. So now phenol from cumene. So it is the industrial method for the preparation of phenol from cumene. And very phenol can be prepared at a large scale. It is also called as industrial method. So this is called as industrial method for the synthesis of phenol. Okay. So what will happen in this method? Cumene is reacted with or on oxidation. Cumene on oxidation with oxygen gas. Cumene on oxidation with oxygen gas in the presence of cobalt naphthenate as a catalyst. In the presence of cobalt naphthenate as a catalyst, form cumene peroxide. Cumene peroxide, which on acid hydrolysis gives phenol and acetone as byproduct. As a byproduct. Okay, so this is the statement of cumene synthesis, phenol synthesis from cumene. Let us go for the reaction. So cumene on oxidation with oxygen gas in the presence of cobalt naphthenate as a catalyst form cumene peroxide, which on acid hydrolysis gives phenol, and acetone is a very important byproduct which form in this reaction. So let us have a quick reaction for this one. So now see, what is cumene? This is cumene, which is cheaply available. So this is called as isopropyl benzene. This, when reacted with oxygen gas in the presence of cobalt naphthenate. Okay, what will happen? It form cumene peroxide. So there is a hydrogen here. So this oxygen insertion takes place. This is called as cumene peroxide. When this cumene peroxide is heated with acid hydrolysis or dilute acid, for example, dilute H2O4, dilute HCl we can take here, or we can write here directly dilute HCl. This results undergo rearrangement and it forms cumene and acetone. This is acetone. This is a phenol. So this on acid hydrolysis form phenol and acetone as a byproduct. So this is called as phenol from